Hey, what's up my fellow YouTubers, PCGamingDude here, and today I'm going to show you all how to make a rising sun banner in Minecraft. Now this looks very pretty, especially if you ask me. So it's just basically a sun rising over a slope of a mountain, alright? Well, all I could say is that this reminds me of like the sun rising over the Great Smoky Mountains or the Appalachians, depending on where you live. Alright, so this one kind of really makes me think about North Carolina because it's very pretty, and if you just take a look at the sunsets over here by the Appalachians, it pretty much looks exactly like this, right? So anyway, that's all I can tell you there, and yeah. So anyway, before we actually get started on this extremely easy build or banner tutorial, I would like for you all to make sure that you subscribe to my channel for incredibly awesome videos pretty much every week, alright? That's the promise, right? And we need your help to grab 1,000 subscribers, so make sure that you subscribe to my channel because that will help me out a lot, right? Also, make sure you give this video a thumbs up if you really like this, and don't forget to check out my 4 awesome websites, Weebly, Twitter, Instagram, Snapchat, all of those provided by the links down below. Also Weebly, right? If I didn't even mention that. So anyway, without any further ado, let's get started. So anyway, without any further ado, here's what we got. We got ourselves a light blue banner, dandelion yellow, forgot to destroy that, oxeye daisy, and cactus green. You will need 2 dandelion yellows, 1 oxeye daisy, 1 banner obviously, and 3 cactus greens. Alright, if we don't have all those, then you're obviously not prepared. But anyway, let me get the instructions, and we'll get to it. Alright guys, so I said it was really easy. Well, the reason why I paused there for a moment is because, like I said, I need to get the instructions so I can tell you the specific steps of what we're doing, right? Because these have a little bit of kind of like a complicated naming of these steps, so that's particularly the reason why I had to pause there for a moment. So anyway, once you got all those materials, and once you got your crafting table set up, it's set up in the exact same position as I did the redo Nazi banner, which is the previous video. You can check that out on my Weebly, right? At least temporarily. So, anyway, so what we got here, we're going to grab ourselves a light blue banner. If you don't know how to make that, or you're just too lazy, you can grab yourself one, or if you know how to make it, and you just want to do extra work for yourself, it's just basically 6 light blue ones at the top with a stick at the bottom, right? Very easy. So, but yeah, here we go. If you got a banner, place it at the bottom center part of your crafting table. You want to follow that up by a dandelion yellow. Boom. If we are taking a look at it, you should have a yellow roundel. Well, however, if you're making the country of a paling, something like that, then here we go. You're done, right? I mean, that's not what we're making here. We're not making a country called Paleo or something like that. But however, if you are not actually wanting to make a rising sun, you just want to make a Paleo or just basically a sun over a white, or not white, blue background, then boom, you're done. But we want to be a little bit more detailed with that mean. We want to be more detailed, so we're not done, alright? I know, some people can say we're done because it's just a sun, but no. Anyway, so you want to place your banner in the exact same position as it was whenever we were creating the roundel, alright? You want to place your dandelion yellow at the top. So you could grab yourself 2 yellow roundels, and that's just a whole bunch of waste of dandelion yellows, alright? We don't want to be wasting that, because we want to use our oxeye daisy, place it to the left of the yellow, the dandelion yellow, and you got yourself a yellow flower charge, alright? Now, I could show you what happens if you use other materials, but I won't even do that, because that's just a waste of time. So, anyway, so you want to have something that should look like this. That looks a more proper looking of a sun in Minecraft, right? Or a more realistic sun, if you ask me. Not a sun that looks like, let's see if I can go find the sun over here. you don't want a sun that looks like that in your final project. You want a sun that looks like this in your final project. So, anyway, if you got your yellow flower charge, you are good, right? You are awesome. So, let's make the final step, shall we? This time, we're going to place the banner up here, in the middle, like the very middle, right? We want to make our cactus greens in this angle right here, right? The left angle, bottom left angle of your square, right? You just want to put 3 cactus greens like this, making an L shape, and that'll make your green power bend inverted. Once you got that, boom. Whoops. You're done. Why did I even place that there? Hang on, guys. And boom, you are done, alright? You got what I like to call the sunrise over the Appalachians, right? So, if you got this, well, you are awesome. You are good to go, right? So, yeah, the only way that someone could actually understand this is that if they live in the Appalachian states. North Carolina, for example, Georgia, northern Georgia, not where Atlanta is, but Virginia, West Virginia, Kentucky, any of those places, this will remind you of it. Otherwise, where would you find a nice good old mountain that's not so rocky like the Himalayas or the Rockies? Well, the Appalachians is your answer. Or even the Blue Ridge Mountains, or even the Great Smoky Mountains. So, anyway, so, that's pretty much about it. Very simple, very easy, and hopefully you had a lot of fun to do that with me. So, anyway guys, that's pretty much about it. Hopefully you all like this video. If you don't mind, make sure that you all subscribe to my channel. We need at least 1,000 subscribers because stupid old YouTube has decided to get rid of my channel. So, we need your help regaining that 1,000 subscribers. Make me happy, and so forth. Yeah. Anyway, also, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, alright, if you really like this tutorial. And don't forget to check out my 4 awesome websites provided in the description box below. Anyway, that's all. Thanks for watching, and as always, see you next time. Peace. Take care, everyone. Talk to you later.